Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Amicable Stitches. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a Bible cover. As you can see, this Bible is rough. I want to make a cover for it to make it neat with this leather material. So I'm using this leather material. I'm using a bag rope, a zip cloth, then a zip head. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the Bible. The measurement here is 6.5 inches. But when I want to cut out my material, I'll be measuring 7 inches. I'll just add half inches to it. So this side, you put your tape like this here. You measure it round. You put your tape round. Then you put it here. I got 11.5 inches. But when I'll be measuring 12 inches. I'll be adding half inches to it. I'll be measuring 12 inches here. So for the side, the pocket side where I'll be fixing my Bible to, like this, I'll measure out 7 inches. I'll measure out 7 inches. If there's any excess, I'm going to trim it out later. I'll measure out 7 inches by 3 inches. I will measure it in 2 places, one for this side and one for this side. So watch as I join it together. So now this pocket or the Bible holder here that will be here, I'm going to fold it a little bit. I'm going to fold here and sew. I'll fold this part and sew. So you repeat the same thing on this one too. You fold and you sew. So the next thing to do now is you place it this side. You place it here. You place it here, facing up like this, and you sew it. The other one too, you place it here too like this, and you sew. You're done sewing it like this. If there's any excess, you use your scissors and trim the excess out. This is what we have now. So the next thing to do is to fix our zip close to it. So you fold into 2 like this. You get the middle, the midpoint. You notch. You fold to the other side too. You get the midpoint. You notch. So from one of the midpoints here, so the next thing is to fix our zip close to it. So you get your tape, you measure out like 2 inches. You place it at the midpoint. That part you measure 2 inches, you place at the midpoint. Then you start sewing. You don't just, this is it. You leave out 2 inches like this. You don't just start sewing at the part where you notched here. You leave a little space, maybe 1/4 inch. Then you place it on your machine and sew. You leave a little space there. Then you sew it 4 corners. When you get to this part, you lift it up. You make sure you don't sew to this midpoint too. You stop somewhere here, just the way you started it. You stop somewhere, then you lift it up and get the same measurement for the other side. You cut it out. You cut the remaining zip cloth out like this. So here you divide it to remove this one. You remove the up part, because we'll just be making use of only this one. So the next thing to do now is to fix a zip head to it. You fix your zip head to it. After adding your zip head, you zip it down. Then the next thing to do is you push it inside. You know I told you to leave a space here. You push it inside like this. You pull it out like this. So the next thing to do is you get your bag rope and tape it. This rough part, use your bag rope to cover it up. Use your bag rope. You place it like this and cover it up. Cover it. You cover all the sides like this. Take it to your machine and sew and cover all those rough sides. Bible case, I want it to have a handle. So I'll just measure out 10 inches of my bag rope just like this. I'll measure out 10 inches and I'll fold it. I'll fold it like this. I'll place it at the midpoint here. The midpoint here that you added your zip. I'll just place it at the midpoint here. I'll sew it. I'll sew it. I'll sew it like this. Then I'll continue by using the bag rope to cover up the handle. So I'll use my bag rope to cover up the handle here like this. When I come here, I'll raise it up like this and I'll sew it down. I'll sew it down so I'll be able to hold it like this. So for the zip here, we can't just leave it rough like this. So you just get a pieces of the material you used. You get a pieces, you can just measure out. Okay, what I used here is 1.5 inch by 1 inch. You fold it like this into two. You put the mouth of your zip cloth inside like this. You can set, you fold it, you can fold the zip cloth like this. You put it inside. Then you sew it 4 corners. So I'm done sewing it. So the next thing is to bring out your zip like this. You use your lighter to burn the rough edges and it's ready. This is it. So the next thing you're going to do now is to get the Bible casing. You open it up. You put it inside like this. Put it inside like this. Get the other side. Get the other side here. You open it up and you push it inside too. Like this. And you see this my rough Bible. It's now getting a new shape and a new cloth. You don't have to carry a rough Bible to church all the time. You can do this. You can do this at home. And your Bible will be new again. Then here, you just zip. You just zip. You zip it up. You zip it up like this. Then this part, you can decide to push it inside if you don't want it outside. You can decide to push it inside or you fold it. So this is the end of a Bible cover or Bible case. Do you see that my rough Bible is now neat? It's now neat. So please, when doing yours, make sure you add some allowance here. Add some allowance here so that your zip will be easy to zip. Add allowances on the sides. Okay, so this is the end. Thank you. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. please, and also comment. Okay, thank you. This is how you encourage me to make more tutorials. Thank you, and God bless you for subscribing. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you.